Hi, I'm Aaron Jacobs, Subrogation partner in Butler's Tampa office, and I'm pleased to provide you with this week's practice tip. One of the most common issues raised by our clients is the handling of their insured's interest in the subrogation demand or recovery. Some carriers include their insured's deductible in the subrogation demand as a matter of course, which makes for good customer relations and marketing. However, keep in mind some jurisdictions have specific regulations that may require a subrogating carrier to include its insured's deductible in any demand to a third party and may delineate how subrogation recoveries should be split with the insured. Perhaps the most critical issue when considering the reimbursement of the insured's loss is the MadeWhole Rule. As you may know, the MadeWhole Rule generally requires that an insured recoup all of its damages before the insurer is entitled to subrogation. The insured's damages commonly include the applicable deductible, but might also include damages in amounts over the policy limits or damages that were not covered by the policy. The MadeWhole Rule is especially applicable in instances when the available amount of money for recovery is less than the insurer and the insured's collective damages. However, many jurisdictions will permit the MadeWhole Rule to be abrogated by the policy language or a subsequent agreement between the parties. In most cases, we find that the best way to account for the insured's interests in a subrogation claim and a settlement is through the use of a joint representation and allocation agreement. These are also known as joint fee agreements or joint prosecution agreements. These agreements are usually executed after the conclusion of the first party claim adjustment, and they spell out the parties' rights and obligations and delineate the parties' rights to any settlement proceeds. Addressing your insured's interests soon after the first party claim adjustment is finalized can significantly expedite the subrogation claim and settlement process. Consider the use of an allocation agreement to assist your insured in understanding how subrogation proceeds will be shared in the event of a recovery. Thank you so much for joining me today, and please check back with us next week for another Butler practice tip.